Well, I'm MVP family. I'm a friend. Anybody who will stop by the channel. A real family. My neighbor, you have been so totally awesome. So, guys, tonight or this morning, you know what time now? 12:53, and I doze off today, and now I'm not even sleepy. So, I just needed to give you guys a history about this video that I'm putting out, and I got all the pieces since Friday, and yesterday I didn't get to do it, but I said this day now going past before we put it together. So it's late, but I'm not sleepy, so I decided to just get it done, my people. So the video on a scene from me give it a title, so from the oven to the table, because what you're going to see is my neighbor, Ms Hyacinth, who walks with me. I'm so thankful to have her as my neighbor, as a friend. She gets up in the mornings early and accompany me on my walks. She bought t-shirts. She would leave from over her house, come across the street, comes go near to the soup kitchen. This lady is just so totally awesome, I'm telling you people. I mean, sometimes you live amongst neighbors and you can't live in no peace and constant bickering but praise God, when you find people who live amongst people, it's just a blessing. So I tell her, she told me on Friday that she was getting ready to go make a cornmeal pudding for somebody. And I said, you can do like a video clips and send it to me. Let me just put a video together. And she said, yes, man. And so what you're going to see in the videos, guys, in this beautiful video, is a tribute to Ms Hyacinth, my walking partner, my MVP subscriber and supporter. And it's going to be her work, guys. Grating our coconut, putting everything together, and having the end product on the table. So you'll see it. The camera was not horizontally placed, it was diagonally placed. So just enjoy the video, guys. Just enjoy the video. So here's to you, MVP family. Here's my friend Miss Hyacinth in the kitchen baking up some cornmeal pudding. Enjoy, my people. Like the video, share the video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, please subscribe to the channel and help the channel grow. If you haven't donated to the soup kitchen, please also donate something. Go to the GoFundMe page, guys. The link is posted. I will post it in this video again. Please go to the GoFundMe link and help us help those who are in need in Jamaica. We know that COVID happened, and before COVID happened, there were many people in need, many people in need. And as I always say, not because they're lazy, but they worked hard, but the work they didn't allow them to contribute to the NIS or whatever they call it in Jamaica. So we know that people who contribute to that system still barely make 20,000 per month, much less those who didn't even contribute anything. You know that their life is just interesting as they get older. And so, my, I'm sorry, like, it's early morning saying, go to bed, Beverly, go to bed. But again, as I said, it's not because of laziness, and it's a system that is built where only the strong survives. We know it's not only Jamaica, it's across the board. We have the upper class and middle class, and then you have the others. And there are many of the others who contribute so much to society, but society ignores them when they're not able to do for themselves. So the pledge, guys, is that we have 19 that would feed. And so right now we're building up a little kitchen so that it's more comfortable to prepare the meals for them. 2 meals, 3 days per week, and um, that's how it goes. So please support, guys. Support, support, support. We're looking. Let me post a link. So here's Miss Hyacinth in the kitchen. Thank you, Miss Hyacinth, for contributing this. Thank you so much for your dedication. You're just total awesomeness, and I appreciate you. Thank you again. So the next voice you hear will be Miss Hyacinth in her kitchen.
Here I am blending my coconut for my pudding. Start at medium. Okay, it's finished. Blend to get some more juices from the coconut. So I'm going to turn the blender on and start it. That's my second blending from my coconut so that I can get all the juices out the trash. Just to make my pudding. I'm gonna stop it and I'm gonna strain it again to get more ingredients for the pudding, like the milk, etc. So here I am separating the milk from the trash. The milk, that's what I'm going to use to make my pudding. These are all my ingredients: my sugar, my vanilla, my cinnamon, and my nutmeg, my cinnamon, and my vanilla. My sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and vanilla. I'm gonna pour some of the milk because it's too much for that pan. I'm gonna add a little cinnamon, some vanilla, And I have to grate my nutmeg. So I have to cut it there and do another piece. Okay. I could put my sugar in. I don't do measurements. I just do average because I know what I'm doing. This is the milk. This is the milk, the coconut milk that I'm going to use to make the pudding. So I'm getting my vanilla, my sugar, my nutmeg, and I think that's all. My ground cinnamon, my sugar. I had a pinch of salt, and now I'm gonna add my cornmeal. I'm adding my cornmeal. But I tell you, I don't do measurements. I just do average. See, I'm stirring in my cornmeal. What you see on top there, like brown looking, is my nutmeg. That's my nutmeg. So you're gonna see that on top, swimming on the milk a little bit. I think I need another portion of cornmeal, so I'm gonna add another little portion of cornmeal. I'm adding a little more cornmeal, and then I'm gonna stir it in. Okay, this is what my cornmeal pudding look like. It's all ready to go in the oven. My oven is 375 degrees. In a grease baking sheet, I'm gonna put it in the oven, 375. I don't know if she can get those where how me mix it up, you know. Kinda look like me send those to her. My ingredients are sugar, not cinnamon, nutmeg, and vanilla. These are my ingredients: vanilla, nutmeg, sugar, and my cinnamon. Those are the ingredients: sugar, nutmeg, cinnamon, vanilla, and my cornmeal. That's the mixture here in this pan. So I'm going to put it to bake at 375 degrees in my oven. Stay tuned. Now it's almost finished. I turn my oven off. I turn my oven to off, and then it's in there just soaking, you know, let it stay in the heat there. But it's done. It's done. But I just leave it right there. All right. Now the pudding is all done. Beautiful, beautiful, and ask me how I do it. I don't know. I don't do measurements. I just bake. No measurements. And my pudding is all done. My pudding. All done. Jamaican cornmeal pudding. Cornmeal, sugar, coconut, vanilla, a pinch of salt, nutmeg, and cinnamon. Sweeten to taste and put to bake, and it's all done. It's all done. Bye.